Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with Euro-USD. The euro fell against the dollar on Tuesday as investors were slow to take on new position ahead of a slew of economic data due later this week, including Eurozone inflation on Wednesday and the US jobs report on Friday. Data on Tuesday showed price pressures in Spain and Germany were easing considerably, while a separate survey said inflation expectations among consumers and business in the Eurozone fell sharply in November from October. Eurozone inflation figures for November are expected to show price rises to 10.4% from a record 10.6%. Decrease in inflation may slow down the pace of European monetary policy tightening. Under such a scenario, the decline of the euro will continue. Next, USD Japanese yen. The dollar fell against the yen on Tuesday, but recovered some ground as investors awaited Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech on Wednesday. Powell's comments will be analyzed in terms of additional signals regarding further tightening of US monetary policy. The US Central Bank is expected to hike rates by an additional 50 basis points when it meets in December, though the odds of a 75 basis point increase have risen over the past several weeks and now stand at a 37% probability. The ADP National Unemployment Report and the US Labor Department's non-farm payrolls data are also due this week. Strong data can bring buyers back into the market. And finally, USD Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar fell to its lowest level in nearly 4 weeks against the greenback on Tuesday. Statistics Canada said the country's economy grew by a nominal 0.1% in September and by 0.7% in the third quarter, beating forecast by 0.4%. However, this was largely offset by a lower than expected annual growth rate of 2.9% for the July-September period. The mixed data, along with a slight decline in crude oil prices, is weighing heavily on the commodity-linked loonie. The US dollar, on the other hand, is cutting some of its intraday losses, which is seen as yet another factor supporting the USD Canadian pair. In addition, a technical buy above the psychological 1.35 level gives an additional boost to the US currency. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.